Hi, my name is Elise, and today I'm going to show you how to install and uninstall, subscribe to, and set up the QuickGift Receipts app for Shopify's POS. We can install the app by pressing the black Install button on the left side of the listing. After some load time, we'll need to approve the required Update Data Access, which you can read more about by dropping down each section. Then you can push Install. Once the install is complete, Shopify's admin dashboard will reload to show QuickGift receipts under Apps on the left-hand side of our dashboard. If you need any visual guidance throughout the setup process, we provide tutorial videos and a direct way to contact us if you need any further support. Please send us a message and we'll be sure to reply within 1 to 3 business days. Now that's out of the way, we can begin the setup process. We'll start by choosing a subscription tier that best supports our business needs. We will then be taken to a screen where we'll need to approve the subscription. If we want to manually upgrade our subscription tier, we will need to approve any tiers with an increase in cost. Downgrading can be done without approval. We can also manage our plan in the Subscriptions tab. Here you'll see the subscription options, including the ability to cancel and uninstall the app using the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to change between a lower and higher tier to show you that the approval process only happens for increasing tiers. Now that we've approved the change, we can see our current plan and continue with the setup process. For step 2, we will be editing our store's gift receipt template. To do this, we will navigate to the code editor, find the gift receipts.liquid file, and replace all of the code with what we will copy from here. Lastly, we will remember to save all of the changes we've made. Now that we've read through the instructions for this step and copied the code we need, let's navigate to the code editor. Press the Edit Code button in the left column to show the code files. Then choose the gift receipts.liquid file. Now we can delete all of the code and replace it with what we copied. Finally, let's save the changes we've made. We can now navigate back to the setup instructions for step 3. This step is optional in the case that you'd like to remove the line items automatically added to printed gift receipts. We will have to add a line of code to the line items.liquid file and save our changes. We will find this top line in the code editor and then paste the copied code underneath it to look like the final code block in these instructions. Once you copy the first line, let's navigate to the code editor. Click on the line items.liquid file. Once you're there, press the Command and F keys on your keyboard to open up the search bar. Paste the copied line in it and press Next to highlight what we're looking for. You might need to scroll to find it. Once you're there, press the Enter key to add a new line under it. Now we can open up a new window in our browser to get back to the instructions. Let's copy the line we'll need to add and then paste it into the blank line we added previously. Finally, let's save the code changes we just made. And now navigate back to the setup instructions and complete step 3. If your subscription tier allows for emailed gift receipts, step 4 allows us to customize the look and feel of what your customers will receive. In the top block, you can update the from email address, subject line, and see an inbox preview of the emailed gift receipt. If your company uses a mailbox provider like Google Workspaces or Microsoft 365, or a transactional email provider like SendGrid or Mailgun, you can use the provided credentials here. For our enterprise customers, we're happy to offer hands-on support with the setup process. Just send us a message from the contact page. Below that, you can customize the colors, return and exchange policy, header text, logo, QR code, and if you'd like to dive deeper into customization, we provide the ability to fully customize the email template with code. At the top of the email customization page, you can find a button to send a test email. Simply enter an email, and once sent, you can take a look at what customers will receive in their inbox. We can now navigate back to setup and mark step 4 as complete. For the last step, we have to add the QuickGift tiles and buttons to our POS systems. After reading the instructions, let's navigate to point of sale settings, POS apps, email gift receipts, and press add for any of the items shown. These may differ based on your subscription tier. To confirm they have been added, look for the green added status chips. Now we can navigate back to the setup page and complete step 5. We're finally done with the setup process. Let's open up our Shopify POS system application to see the changes we've made. The first thing we can see is a new Create Gift Receipts tile on our homepage that's grayed out. This button will become clickable once items are in our cart, so let's add some. I'm adding a few of these items and a few of these as well. Now we can go back to the homepage and see that we can click Create Gift Receipts. Once the items are loaded, we can select individual items to show up on each individual gift receipt that will be printed after checkout. To save our changes, let's press the Save button on the top right. We can now see what gift receipts each selected item will be a part of in the cart column on the right. To have our gift receipts get printed, simply continue the checkout process and they will be printed individually at the end. At this point of the checkout process, you can choose to email your gift receipts too. Whether you already itemized the gift items or not, you will have the ability to do that at this point as well. Just enter the customer's email you would like the gift receipts to be sent to. Once received, the customer can forward each gift receipt to the corresponding recipient. For certain subscription tiers, we can also email gift receipts for past orders. Let's navigate to the Past Orders tab and select an order. From here, we can select the Email Gift Receipts button, itemize each desired gift item, and send them to the customer's email. And with that, we're all set. Thank you for learning how to set up and use QuickGift Receipt, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Our team is here to help.